Welcome back to my channel. My name is Patiza. I'm the career coach. So today's topic is to assist you when you start doing your coaching sessions. What is it that you can do so that you can get the most out of your coaching sessions? So if you're going to start with coaching next year, 2024, this is your guide. Stay here so that you can be coachable. So when you come see me for coaching, you know exactly what you need to do. So in order to make the most of your career coaching sessions, keep these 7 tips in mind. You need to have an open mind. Be open to new perspective. That's the reason why you came to a coaching session, because you wanted to hear something different. You know your thoughts, you know your strategies, but now you want somebody else to assist you. So make sure that you are open. You have an open mind. You are open to this new perspective. So a coaching sessions are going to assist you to challenge your traditional way of thinking. So it's important that you are open. Just stay open. Trust the process. Another important point that I can give you is be vulnerable. Make sure that you are vulnerable and honest with your coach, because the coach cannot assist you if you're not open enough, if you're not telling your coach exactly what your problem areas are. So be sure to find somebody that you can be comfortable with, so that you're not holding back anything, especially when it has to do with your coaching sessions. So another tip that I can give you is you need to follow up on any actions outlined in your career coaching session. So say your coach gives you a homework, you need to make sure that you do that. So taking accountability of your sessions is very, very important. You are the one who's paying for these coaching sessions. You need to take accountability. All right. Another point is maybe go through your CV, update your stuff, so that you can be able to give your coach a relevant information that is relevant now, that is not outdated. So please make sure that you go through your CV, go through where you're coming from, what you have done, so that you can be here, and really what are your areas, what are these things that you want to work on. Another last point, or second last, is for you to identify your core values. Let's call them core values. In other words, what is most important to you now? So you want to align your expectations with your coach. So you need to tell your coach exactly, this is what you need. This is your immediate goal. This is your short-term goal. This is your long-term goal. If you're going to engage with a coaching session or with a coach for maybe longer than 6 months or a year, so you need to guide your coach so that you are well within your right as well to discuss your expectations and to align expectations with your coach. Another part of it is being open, and also make sure that you also come curious as well, and you start implementing. That's very important. You also don't want to waste your money just coming to coaching sessions and you're not doing anything about it. You need to own your coaching sessions, and you need to implement. Make sure that you actually do the work. Remember, this is your work. A coach is your facilitator, assisting you to do your work. Make sure that you are also present, not just in person or just saying, I'm just coming to coaching session, but know exactly what you want to get for each and every coaching session that you go to. Be present, prepare, have your own prep that you have done beforehand. Cannot stress enough that you need to align expectations. You need to align expectations with your coach. If things change, let your coach know that things have changed. Also show up. Don't say you're coming and then you do not pitch. It doesn't show professionalism on your side, and it doesn't show that you respect the coaching sessions. So do come, be punctual, make sure that you show up. You actually do show up, and maybe that's all you need to do. Just show up, and then continue to do the uncomfortable work. Continue to do the work that is required for you to move you to your best version of yourself. I will see you again on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification button. I will see you again when we discuss more career coaching, personal development, etc.